Hello students, welcome back. My name is Jorge Luis Aguillon and I'll be your teacher for this class. We're continuing with the virtual classes and today we're going to talk about fables. What are fables? Well, to know that, we're going to compare the differences between fables and tales. Fables are short stories, and tales are longer stories. Fables usually includes talking animals as characters, and they also give us a moral lesson. Tales, on the other hand, talks more about magic, good versus evil, and most of the time have a happy ending. Now that you know the differences between a fable and a tale, let's see if you can identify which of the next stories is a fable and which is a tale. Let's practice. The Sleeping Beauty. What do you think it is? Is it a fable or is it a tale? You guessed right. It's a tale. The Fox and the Stork. What do you think it is? Is it a fable or a tale? You guessed right. It's a fable. How about the next story? It might sound familiar to you. The Lion and the Mouse. What do you think it is? A fable or a tale? You guessed right. It's a fable. How about our last story? Snow White. Is it a tale or is it a fable? You guessed right. It's a tale. Now you know what a fable is. Before we continue, we're going to change topics a bit. Let's talk about numbers. You might remember the cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers indicate quantity. Let's remember them. You can practice by repeating after me. 1, repeat. 1, 2, repeat. 2, 3, repeat after me. 3, 4, 4. 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10. 10. There are other numbers called ordinal numbers. And the ordinal numbers indicate a position or place of something. For example, first, which in Spanish means primero. Then second, which in Spanish means Segundo. Let's practice. Practice by repeating the number after me. The yellow bunny is on first place. First. The green bunny is on second place. Second. The pink bunny is on third place. Third. The blue bunny is on fourth place. Fourth. The red bunny is on fifth place. Fifth. Let's continue. The blue tortoise is on sixth place. Sixth. The green tortoise is on seventh place. Seventh. The pink tortoise is on eighth place. Eighth. The yellow tortoise is on ninth place. Ninth. The red tortoise is on 10th place. 10th. Now you know what the ordinal numbers are for. Remember, they're used to indicate position. And now it's time for a fable. Our fable is about two different animals, a tortoise and a hare. So let's begin. Once upon a time, there was a tortoise that moved very slowly. One day, while traveling to the forest, the tortoise met a hare. When the hare saw how slowly the tortoise moved, the hare made fun of him. The tortoise was not bothered by the hare's teasing. Instead, the tortoise challenged the hare to a race.
Slow. Because you run so fast, you have to keep stopping. One of these days, you will stop and be too tired to start again,
said the tortoise. The hare laughed.
Slow.
You're wrong. You're so slow. You'll never cross the finish line.
When the day of the race arrived, all the animals in the forest gathered to watch. Some said, "If the race is a long one, I think the hare will lose because he always runs so fast, so he will run out of energy." Another animal said, "I think the tortoise will lose. He's so slow that he will never finish the race." The tortoise and the hare stood at the starting line. The race began. The hare was in first place, leaving the tortoise behind. Soon, the hare began to tire. "I'm far ahead of the tortoise," he said. "I have plenty of time to get to the finish line. I'll lie down here and take a little nap." So, the hare slept while the tortoise floated slowly along at a steady pace. Animals saw the tortoise as he got near the finish line. They started cheering for him. The cheering woke up the hare. The hare saw the tortoise near the end of the race and began running, but it was too late. The tortoise had won the race.